Yeah, so this modular front bumper for the Ford Ranger, we also have a 3-inch body lift kit for it, so you fill that gap, it doesn't look weird with that lift. So this kit is going to come with 2 of these brackets and this front shield here. I'll show you how to put that on in a little bit. So to put these on, they're marked with a D or a P, driver or passenger. And that's just these are gonna go on your frame first. They're gonna mount right here. This truck doesn't have a lift, but just for reference, it's gonna sit. Your bottom holes are gonna be where you mount it to the truck frame. So after you put these on the truck frame, you're gonna bolt your bumper up to it. So after you got your bumper on the truck, it'll look something like that. And then what you got to do is you take this piece right here, and that'll mount on these bottom 4 bolts, like so. Get these, at least 2 of these bolts started, and then mark your holes. You're gonna have to drill those out, all 4 of them. Once you get this bolted on and your holes drilled out, you got these. You'll send with 4 black button heads. They'll go in there to look nice and clean. In my last installation video on how to put the modular front bumper on the Rangers, I forgot to mention that our 3 styles of wings are made specifically for these bumpers. They will not bolt onto the China counterpart bumpers that are being made. And honestly, if you put those wings on the China bumper, it'll probably fall off your truck.